This is our ECE 210 final project. We'll be transmitting Morse code wirelessly from the board on the left to the board on the right. We're going to be sending the message badgers, which the binary and the Morse code are displayed on the sheet. First, on the board on the left, we need to enter the number of characters we're going to send. So we enter in 7 on the dip switches, corresponding to the 7 letters in badgers. The LED light flashes green when the number of characters is entered, and then we enter in the characters one by one. The LED bar displays how many characters are still left to be entered, so we know when we are finished. The LED light flashes red each time it reads a character inputted from the dip switches. The message has been entered in, so we have both of the boards configure the Zigbee address so the message can be transmitted wirelessly. The blue light flashing on the center board shows that the configuration is complete, and the board on the right says that it is now displaying the Morse code. Letters are displayed as a series of short or long flashes. And that was the word badgers.